Better.
Wild Willie. As he jazz to echad Nien Tamil fada.
Yes. In un momento. Tor bombs do.
This is a sort of start that keeps our listeners and video watchers enthralled.
What is he doing? What has he got back there? Put away the gun.
Meatloaf. The meatloaf.
Mom! The meatloaf!
What is she doing in there? I never know what she's doing in there.
What idiots! More for us.
Ha, marriage, idiots.
What a segue. How did I do it? What a segue. That is, of course, there no shin and the rare intach shin, the Will Ferrell, Alges Paul Rudd? No, Will Ferrell was Owen Wilson in Wedding Crashers.
Yes. Scan die.
The character Owen Wilson, the Gold Tree, Jachod Strobladgy to the expression Susan Kelly. That's she agus tá she creepiste. Will Ferrell shows him the way. So the way, sleeping the way through the breakup.
August Darnoi, that Shannon segue. Forfa is Jack's Cora at Avesogin. Liam. Fectu Suis Ban a Rio egg Toru.
Gromai Conan. I should jump up in the mechanic. Cold car sugum. Beyond, but.
Jay Hegladiano.
That's na correct doing, you know. Needs must.
Today.
Near fact me sus Kelly need for real. No. We make Chroí bríste river. Yes, we make Chroí bríste river. More of the Owen Wilson. Rutas a real Chroí bríste. Conan.
Faigh, we make Chroí bríste river. We make Chroí bríste. Coupler.
Yes.
Coupler.
I don't think the Chroí ever fully recovers.
It's Dakara. Sean and Claire and you towards Corda dar God's Garja. I God's Greha Bríste Falar. You'll much go ra ke on.
It's Liam. Liam it's on.
Liam, Kajay Mara who to har Scaru, like Kajay Mara Diri to Nisfar. Dus Taring picture doing done immediate. Han and British hien, but just an check the rash and ithe shan lat hien August and Modine and a ye lat hien. This jarring picture of the bleakness.
This is the last time you'll ever see me, folks. I'm away from the mountains. I'll take my whiskey and rum.
Heglam Kirshi Yanni or this smile.
No, just can't go to us or do spidger. Seems to go sugum.
Yeah.
Did you go back to them?
Yeah. So Sean and Pitzer Harnia has me Deevsha. Curry Mudjan Kjol Bronach Chora. Vi ba Tranona 4 vi on August has sog of a leg and tam shin idir an saoirú agus an tus an fór agus níl na héanta có fada sa bhí siad agus tá runteachs fearr san air nach raibh ann. Agus is ag an am seo a críochnaíonn an dríocht a bhaineann le gra an tairí. Tróna mar seo breisiú mo chroí hío a tlío maiile clia. Agus is ceann lom haachtar ais go dtí an teach in an carnan Dolphins barn. Agus ag a funse sin tharú an 8 agam golasteach sa teach mar tharú mé géirí arcar duinearbí Jared. Tharú mé géirí rudí a bhíú duinearbí. So
Níor géirí na sain ceist na ubridi.
no, tharú.
Really new Jared.
Yeah.
Excellent questioners.
Agus in áit sin was agad an balla bug sin a just a rihan tíomh leis an canal just juts suas from the footpath. Well, he may ar sin agus chur mé Snapchat hig John said ag an am just ag miniu an scíaldá agus chur sé gléach orm agus Danish man skilled on. He's like, fuck's sake, lad. That's unreal. Oh, it's all right. I guess and he sin what he make. But get the bug níos fearr. Again, sin being talker sig tacked on. So who may hagen Bielan Chinese water crumbling agus for me space bag was Chroí agus deep me híomh an canal agus in sin thu mé isteach sa teach agus thu mé a lí.
Now shelter sin go mhaith. Master ha slantro. Then notice any you must have left so honey. Why is there no self-destructive behavior? Well, when's the good stuff gonna come? Is this not a breakup story? Cow and harms. The cow should.
Sure, an immediate aftermath.
Okay. You're a slow burner.
Yeah. Agus an ithe na bei sin an rud bhavasa mar. Just féin ag musclú agus ag Danny Jarman go dé hard agus nis féin ag cefnú and I was like, oh no.
Yeah, I know.
Cosol go darlinn sé a rís agus a rís.
Yeah, well, it's cosol a blast.
Yeah.
Naar Kellyn toe, didn't you get the thaobh bitch? So it's okay. Always I can and the always and Chroí. You see it bar punch in the blina,
Yeah.
And I really need a special thing the every to then you can the heart in Senegal. Because in Chroí boom to the dinny again Thomas Farden Lane against a gap go hinta. It was running to Cod Warwick the Hamilton in Sabine.
Yeah.
The Hamilton in Sabine. I guess sometimes when you meet people at that high point, it's never gonna last because you meet them at an extreme and you're not things aren't like that forever. Something the push on galore shit that's somewhere else,
Mar a deirtar sin seanachil hart soala a good woman is like turf. If you don't work them well during the summer, you'll have nothing to keep you warm during the winter.
Did you make that up?
No.
Doing my focal intach and you speaking about working on the turf, because actually doing my focal intach and you behind you a piece of bog niche trauma. See them in Ushka, maybe Spanish, I don't know. Patola or Patelo.
Patelo. Mm.
Have you heard it?
Near Hulmeach. Hansen around Spanish ton.
Patelo. It's brown with focus.
Yeah.
Because you know, the sin into Samuel. It's Kevin Lump's two against the skill should do. Because it's Kevin Lump. There's Jared Lump. Have you talked to Liam yet? Down, lads, I'm wait a bit. I can imagine you with an apron. You were busy yourself in the kitchen getting the necessities for the conversation. It's like tea. No. This isn't tea. This isn't a tea. For you, tea or fuel. And then we're hooking with the cupboards. And you're like, blew the dust off it. It was a bottle of whiskey. He set it down.
I really don't shut on that.
I think he gave us cups. Actually, I think he got us cups. 2 cups.
Yeah.
Style. And then he didn't say anything until you took a sip. Trisha. We're going to edit that out. I heard you, tell me. Like me, Anya McKellen, feel me, Anya McKellen, and Kellen the hashmat, so we are in the edit. But yes, the whiskey cups were produced. This is Kevin nomination.
Yeah.
But it's nominee is the being on crack when you lash it's it's Kevin it's Fish on the Vega Ranch so could he no more hand a hard job
Yeah.
But yeah, this is just there's Kevin on Shin. August could you more wahi to Connor? Could you more wahi to the Shackton Shin be to Moscow?
Is she Jacker?
Yes, could you have Jacker? Come on.
I don't like these questions.
Did you heard to Kini? August could you heard to Sweeney Sneaker?
Ní dearn go mé swinse bariacht just an muchain Ian just mo
Rejection.
Yeah.
Rejection.
An Kailu and Kailu na féidirachtaí a bhí or Kailu rudaí a hill tú a bhí
That Sweeney could Sweeney can already might have yachts to the field and you've got ideas and you've got notions. So we laugh flan a bidgin are into Leigheas, no bidger flan are into Leigheas. And it's full of hope and good things and you're more than yourself and then you're on your own again.
Back to your own.
Yeah.
As you always knew it would happen.
You always knew that it can't last forever. It can't be this good. And you dare to tell yourself, yes, you can be happy.
Okay, Liam. Anish. Tarring and picture doing.
The barrier dog said, but
Kind of has an amach.
And he had done Rio. Morris kept Bhí muid ag guta mail hart ag an ollscoil ar fiú tréimhse, trí nó ceithre bliana then. on and off agus an sin rimmuid caidriver fiú bliana or so. Agus láhain bhí rudí cinneal éisteach agus láhain si cintí híann tú faoi sospog. Agus bhí droch formarm san lá sin mar bhí mé dhearafar an san oscaide. Agus bhí ard teach lean de cultúirí gan ná. Agus bhí nuair tar léirmóí tarla bhíon cinneal. Not anxiety, but being cinneal moral arm, disorientation. I get brain disoriented in Centauri, mar winchor is more scholar Neil Niveo and routine come the rough form arm. August Chráite and rather dirt me like I regret what I said, which is Jay came to be sauce. Listen, I don't do breaks. Yeah, I'm just sauce. I was like here, we nail it to kill. That's it. When I want to get it along, that's grand. But nail me Johnny sauce. August, that would be shouldn't piece of harsh, but near me sass delay. And upon reflection, was I guilty of a power trip? I didn't want her to have the power, but maybe relationships are a struggle for power. That's what relationships are. We don't admit it, anyway. They are. You know,
what's
it's
brilliant
never-ending
philosophy of
competition.
Leigheas.
It's never-ending competition. Who's calling the shots? Communication is so important, but still a competition.
It's not love, it's just seeing who can be dominant.
Anyway, I'm joking about that, but well, no, maybe some people agree.
Yes.
Yeah, I think that is, bikini on, in sin Michelin and shit. I didn't think, well, I didn't want to feel like an idiot because clearly they want to break up, but she didn't. But maybe, and then I started to think, well, Shishi Kini, Margalgar, one mission, come work this girl, Chráite. Clue. And Drucker, Harley Shaw, and I think that probably in some cafe, amach auction house. That's a good. Okay, Tonic and bríste Gafford. It's Kevin who me rash shack and I love him. And they give me this sympathetic look. And he just stood over this coffee free of charge.
Be strong. Be strong.
Brownies. That's a good vision of that. Listen, can you upbeat American accent? You want a brownie?
Okay.
Yeah, because in the Asian we form sogums to go Hulkmar, we shouldn't create any Hannig Virginia, from Virginia, and really go reach we should get ready a hashakration a couple of me. But the couple of me shin go Hulk, the mission me has them I've said it, but it's the mission me has to post them not Roman tequila, which Faigh me Gavi and that Faigh me cookish into Brunach, can you not like pathetic. I'll tell you what I did. Faigh me shack and omlan. I work for friends. Cookish omlan, I work for friends. When I should have been working on my CV and trying to get a job, I just qualified as a teacher. I spent 2 weeks watching friends. People would go to work and do their things during the day, and I stayed and I pretended that I was up and going to do things. Stayed in my house and watched friends. And then it was one day I was like, still good shit. But we went salt this and absorption, the seal and the character mission. And they're lovely and their triumphs and all that. I heard somebody talking about the Harry Potter therapy, so it's going with friends there. It was working. It's like very much absorbed in the Ross Rachel dynamic. There's Wayne. We made the system a good project. I was like, commission went salt that show. Because Wayne heard for for me. Dork me, she made jokes at chat. Kind of me lap wudgel gin was tonic, and I started making myself gin and tonics because I was like, why not?
Why not?
I'm not going to become
English.
So I'm not joking. Wasn't from my shin couple of new I think my car 4. So from my shin, you could say I was nice to myself. agus ní sin hosan mé rí chud mhór ríist chur mé faoin ag an am chur bud freichní muidirine chur me chud mhór machchan arm híon mar mé deannig PGC níor mé galia agus the opera jugum. So I've never had as much weight in my life. I think it was like 14 stone. And I've always been 11 stone my entire life. 14 stone in. I had chubby cheeks and all that there.
You were well mended, Mara.
Well mended. Well, great. I was grazing well. As
You wandered well.
As Kevin McConnell said, you've been grazing well. You're a well grazed lamb. Well mended. Agus yeah. Agus wine be she geary she didn't go walk she couple of picture do agus we made sort trim was Kevin on furry Barry Grug and you she texted him do you want to get a coffee? I was like, oh, this is
yes.
And I was like,
yes, I'm
saying like, this is so predictable. So basic. It's so basic life. That's so funny. But yeah, so anyway, so Shin break up Shin, yeah. Near Kevin Lum near me le dinner reef in your tam father correct me what he meant that Irish. What he meant cost that he and what he meant into Irish.
Yeah. Yeah, Shin Jacker August. Harry you're go gain to a rá le dine exula like
we ever kibé danya yanti shola be your correctly me van agone we change the treatment process around oh Kenny no come this he blah 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 and then it becomes part of everybody's routine with you. How you doing? How such and such blah blah blah. What's the crack with her? What she's at? And when they become an extension of you, you're creating shin, then Kate to go through the process shin gacher. How is shin fanyan? It's given up so long after that relationship. John Stidsman, like 3 or 4 years later, hadn't seen her. John Stidsman, you boy, you're going out with that girl. No, not for like 3 or 4 years, and she brought the whole thing to the attention of the shopping.
August, Kermasha K start faster, like Hamilton again.
Aye, maar wie met master uit zo dicht, so be eigenlijk niet in your end. Never shit in your back door. But yeah, so het is geholp naar hol. Mag hem through the dinner be at I gold tree shin, but
August Abershall and row Trefsha a Rio August you're a vrestu suicide dinian chat August and shin Leigheas and Rudad V2 Giri Yanni na Golmach Faigh ban and tack or go tender Faigh ban just Leigheas just straight there and rebound. Hardly shin
Ben and Rudder the and the other on him agone shin reaction new maar achen Rud we shin new meger shmini foi. We seen that we should agone in a hammer shin agone raw inward do the new meger shmini foi. So straight on the tender going out again she living life, you know. Agus beidir shaving is when you willage willed and pain me.
As Kevin Lom and ithe Lormod Faigh Hanafin Hanak me rash to chat August they may like Harrow and tender scratch mar as cart dogum just fishy Hugh being profiled so who may rash your tender as like look at all these deadly matches I have. So it's just like like filing and fein winning a rash suits like just like yes screaming my heckisha no
yes August Katie to piece of the Shinyanu Katie Katie Shinyanu Galogical Katie Shina Hoshak Amachak August But you go to Nice far Hoshak Nice níos ciste.
Mm.
But, you know, siúm sa níos minic a dhéanann tú sin níos massa tá sé lit so beidir an céidir, yeah, but níon hí leis. But níor bhfuil a bheith fannacht bhá leis.
No.
Na, in rud a dhearthainn na daine bhíad ag go tú ná swinní bar ag faoi. Má tá géir dhéanana an bhfuil tú géir dhéanana ná deanana. Very simple. There's no right way to do it.
Yeah.
Agus an rud eile tinn táhacht na céad tú bheith sasta labhil go bhfuil si go hol. Agus go mé si go hol gur fiú tamlín but nachfuil an saoil cripnithe. Agus tá sílan tú gúnaí nach mochaid tú mar sin a real rist. And that's true to a point, because you'll never feel, because tá na mochaíán a gúnaí difriúil le daine difriúil, you know. Janan daine igen rudí difriúil a dit, but bé mochaíán níos fearr on a rist. That's the important point. Bé na mochaíán, bé daine igen eile níos fearr on. That's so true.
Yeah.
He'll Jesus, no mistake go then you're being mar sin Irish. It's not true.
Bhí de haith den cheneoch sin cailín agat ó hen. Tá kense.
Kelly ní jasa, Kelly maitha, Kelly testja. Yeah, dini jasa. This, you know, the giri dini maitha, I'm sure dini jasa, I'm sure dini ta consulat, no a jiglat, a hegvad, agus dini a bhaileach a chuid amach chaithú lá agus sort of tógra a chugail lá. Ní a gúnaí géirí sin, níl tú gúnaí géirí sin bach sin sprec like.
Agus inis seáú an ró dacreachtaí agad leis na drunken text, no drunken phone calls, no Snapchats iad a chur haig daine in scarí.
Do you mean Hagen Denya? Hagen
daine arid seo.
Níarna me sin agus mé alta rio. No. But taréis dúsa a rééis an céadciúm. Skill my skill some anyway, so nuair a hanig muid le chéile, scres muid beidir tríno carabíation agus skill céarna. Agus hard for conciliation lá an breakup. Horti me hen go donna, maspatha donna, bhí horti me lá go hook agus ní hokur am oder be Janir flu sévi. Agus chur mé mahan armor is agus níor mé able to chomaid so agus just be really go hook. So ag an punche is massa den ken gortu sin bidger 3V in salar. Be me sig mo go lagos chur text i rimme sort of reach out be an each night. It's kemmelum níor mé a giri eka was lorle he mar and my partner to time, you know, sort of needed that conversation. It's kemmelum near me giri. Yeah, hoshakterist, but just Ian Kaidrush womb just behind the quarter. It's Kevin Dirty no Dirty or Higgsy August as she says the Lord her text Nakushi Giri and Lena Trasner. Which is totally right, totally fair. Mas Kevin Gulshin me go more again now. Gulshin on go more. I felt a little bit like
it's Shen Ladger like Ladger like a Russian.
Because like if you tell them image go like can't you know where you to when you text out to me Martian was the couple of Bronton Sikiani she do a hug she do Shinga jazz I remember like yeah vision crew do that because shouldn't teen or a mission yeah shouldn't keep her making you know reaching out huh
VT Ladger it's coming on me here Ihe bháin na coppers like like 3 o'clock I was like just mini more Snapchat
Ní heigem sa sinine anu. No, I'm very bad. No. Quick ní me sin le Kelly ar na malh an seo agus tanna nósanna fa caidrú different seo. Or beidir dar lomsa go si different.
yeah
Agus beidir nach clúm sa fa caidrú in an agus go sin. Maybe I'm just very, I know, naive and I'm just not straight too. I'm stupid. But pretty much listen Kelly show is she's Bruna agus I agus turn so well. I'm again big party agus by on lad agus show blah blah. So fear agus we should give a mocha yanu Urwin out.
take him
I says no, I can't do that. I don't actually know any hiccup because we should like why not? Here Higgsy, this is very typical here. Because the phrase on in Spanish. Because didn't she do no, I'm a good Catholic. Why I can't do that? Holy Mary, oh, I can't do that. I don't know. They're tattooing tonight on the Negan and it's in their eigen to can't have room there, but they're tattooing H-Max and I don't focus wagon to I don't know. It's just the lines there. What maybe your piece of bug man but I don't know. And Jockey, that's a shinny, do you think? For the crack, like as an encore, and Jockey, that's a shinny.
Neil Sogum, which asked you.
Who me for the need Johnny? I can do that.
Yeah.
In Rodrella, before doing your off, Tiger of new avail cudgel. Well, would there be a dirt budget cudgel? I don't know.
I him grow cudgel cudgel. But ta nucht agam nucht into
Man.
More agus dothe fanama éan daine le seo béas acu an nuach seo ach beidir nachhil agad híonnaí agus bé áitetá inta garda de Chroí. I'll just go ahead and say it. The Queen announced go mé banger in a chathair. Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, the shin card.
Oh.
Why did the Chroí?
Oh, the single hit that. What an absolute pile of shit. That's class.
Tatu Gary na hetzelty a chur an áirithe fanne an breithre mór an teach an tegan is le ceileú dhéanamh.
One was just in there new. It's amazing, isn't it? White diva. City status. Is it city status again?
City status, yeah. So támuid ar fad a géirí bunch amach de mé ó fallagún in a chathair níos agam go dé anhan.
Downtown Fallagún.
They're not an chapel and John downtown Fallagún, Ponderosa, uptown Fallagún.
Betty's Hotel. Boutique spa. Where would the Caveo and shopping centre Fallagún? Caveo and shopping centre.
They're not Veo she bunny hag Jimsy Malloy.
Right?
Yeah.
Caveo and City Hall. Braca Hall.
No, the Hub Hall.
Caveo and grimy sort of like working class Falls Road type area. Caveo Sean.
Glen Road. Was it? So well to get Mackay's Bridge just a goal she's in crack. Euros and everything.
Yes. Maybe that'd be lower whack. Maybe that'd be lower whack, like lower folks. Agus an sin thuas agus mar an corneal beh sin costal le like Glen Root of first it's more like the more middle class section of the books.
Yeah.
As it is. That part of the Glen Root is a bit more vernacular and Shepwell always got.
Yeah.
They've got everything up there. They've got the church, they've got the graveyard.
Tá ahan rud agin.
They get rid of it. It's near rudder be again yet.
Dini Bachton fall gan na hasna.
Having to drive the guidance for mass and funeral services. God damn it. Ken Tommy engine.
Tá trí bommate cric facha ar Zoom free na bastard ag fáil ré leis an Zoom siar na asca.
New way. But my tattoo Gary Nismu the Sila Wadi one a Christian. Click on our OnlyFans link and please subscribe.
No, seo Faigh hugging sa fás.
And Kevin that in Simpsons episode show.
Ní haven't no.
You have reached Happy Dude. If you wish to experience happiness, please send $2 to Happy Dude now. Your happiness is just $2 away. Miss Kevin Legend, no?
Ní haven't no.
Him said the Dini Ogre and the Shawnee him said well television scan and really raw where it operates the 90s, the noughties. I think that was like peak television in sound. But pretty good.
No, tá si dear fad ag ancair déantánne mér. TikTok.
I mean,
TikTok.
just we're consider TikTok. The attention spans up you're like fucking hell.
Yeah. Ma tá rud an teach níos foiidir na 10 second. Sé ráda.
Yeah, I mean Kindle like the population is going to decline because Black and Chinese switching a shin could just wouldn't have
Liam ag gona ag teach ar asútí an tabhah céirne. It's come.
never.
Being
It takes longer than that to be a film adoption form.
don't know.
Yeah. Oh.
Well,
Literacy rates are gonna plummet.
well, Faigh muid sin don teach na Chráite. Tás ulgam gur bhain sibh tarbha as an haidir an cóirla bot scéal.
Man an na clár na be lá eile on agus ban eile. No fearr, no cibé rud bhile agus tá dúla go.
Agus tá consent on.
agus form cearí halínt agus spirit.
So
Need to be paid.